Good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Yes, it is me, your boy, the Wingman, because I deliver that delicious content and I deliver you guys that delicious sauce. I love chicken, I love tacos, but most importantly, my content is as far as the sauce because I deliver that delicious content. And so, what we're going to talk about today, what brings you here today is that, in my channel, I talk about financial planning, money management, and basically how to make money in the stock market for you and for your family. And just so you know, usually I'm talking about dividend investing, dividend growth investing, growing dividends, and like many different portfolios and how to create different portfolios. We're going to take a side step today. We're going to talk about real estate. Yes, real estate. Uh, the in the pillar of passive income and trying to make money in the world, you can own real estate, actual physical properties, commercial properties, residential. You can also go down the route of just stocks and growth stocks, dividend stocks. But here today, we're going to combine invest into stocks and then also the avenue to be able to invest into real estate. Are you intrigued? Are you excited? So I do say, who don't have $100,000 laying around to invest in real estate right now? I'm gonna raise my hand. Yes, and if you're in the same boat as with me, but you want to learn how you can invest into real estate with little as to $500, and you don't have $100,000, I suggest you watch this video from beginning to end and let me put you up on this game. So what we have today is this website. It's called Fundrise. I am also invested into Fundrise, so I never go over any type of video or any type of software. Rather, it's any type of accounting software, financial software that I don't particularly use. Just like I use Quickens, by Simplify. I use Empower by Personal Capital for my calculating my net worth. For my REITs and for me being able to invest in real estate, I use Fundrise. So what is Fundrise? So Fundrise gives you quality assets, low fees, and smart technology. They blend investment expertise with smart technology to be able to provide a 300 and 387,000 investors with the buying power and investment opportunities traditionally to reserve for billion-dollar institutions. Basically, Fundrise gives you the opportunity to invest into real estate, whereas if you would need in normal circumstances $100,000 plus for a residential, multifamily, or even maybe commercial, you could use Fundrise to leverage to be able to add real estate into your investment portfolios. It's right here. It says your portfolio is powered by a high quality, resilient assets, and that what I'm going to show you when I go through my Fundrise account, I actually have many different assets in my investment portfolio, like in terms of like condos in Washington D.C., housing complexes in California, even just apartment complexes here in the state of Texas. It's lovely, and so basically, when they build up any type of a complex or a house, and once they sell it, of course, the the real estate agents get their piece, everybody get their piece, and as me as having that as part of my portfolio, I get a piece. Now, it's not going to be as if you invest to real estate normally when you just like, oh, I just reaped $100,000, $50,000. No, but you do get you get some dividends and you also get some share price appreciation. So it's nice. And then right here with the fund rise, it says your returns are maximized through a low fee approach. And then so basically hog wash. So here's a couple details before we go into my Fundrise account for you to look into. It says who can invest into Fundrise. So anybody that's a permanent resident or a U.S. citizen can invest into Fundrise. There's no accreditation required. Now, when you try to use other websites like I know it's like something called like Yield Fest or Yield something, you have to be an accredited investor to be able to invest to be an investor. And usually to be an accredited investor, depending on certain crowdfunding, you got at least have like a net worth of $100,000. Or I've had some where I wanted to invest, and you had to have a net worth of 250,000 plus. Sucks, right? So how does the pricing works? Investors pay a 0.15% annual investment advisory fee, which may be waived under certain circumstances. This means that over a 12-month period, you will pay $1.50 in advisory fees for every $1,000 you invested. Okay, and then separately, the funds in your particular standard portfolio pays a 0.85% annual asset management fee. That's $8.50 per year for every $1,000 you find a full description in the fees right here. And so basically, the one I can say is that when you invest to Fundrise, think of it as a long term approach. It's just like with stocks. You buy stocks now, but just like when you buy Apple, Netflix, Microsoft, Google, when you buy those stocks, all these different type of even like Bank of America, all these different stocks and stock prices. You're buying it now for the long run, so that you're wanting your assets, my assets, so that it can grow in the future, 5 years, 10 years, hopefully 20 years down the line, so that it can grow, and then when you're able to want to sell, you can reap the benefits of it. So yes, so right here, this question is fundraising a long term investment? It is, and usually a lot of times people don't want to invest to fundraise because they like, is it a scam? I'm scared. Uh, are they going to take my money? So I'm just sitting here to show you. So here's my account. So with my account, you see that I have a portfolio balance of 4,500. So I started back in 2017. So this just shows you that I've been invested over what? So I started in December 2017. So let's just say I started in January 2018. So I've been invested for about let's say 5 years, and I started out with just 1,000, and then it slowly grows, just like with anything. Whatever you can, you put money into it. You put money into it, and guess what? It grows. It's the dollar cost average method, right? With stocks, when you buy the S&P 500, you buy VTI, and you dollar cost average, it eventually grow as when your money grow. Then it also grows with the market, right? And so, as you see right here, since I've been invested for 5 years, I remember when my active projects was like under 100 projects. Now, uh, I have, man. So I have some fixed income in my portfolio, core plus, value added, and then opportunistic. And then also we'll go over, for me, uh, I have uh, equity in this particular company. So years back, it asked me if I wanted to buy shares because it was quite new, and so I bought. I want to say I bought $1,500 uh, worth of equity. So not only do I have money invested into my different real estate portfolios of Fundrise, but I also have equity here. And so if we go into the portfolio, if it allows me, right, because it's acting like it's not one that allowed me to go. So as you see right here, here's the breakdown where so I have right here, I have 3,500 into the equity, and then real estate equity, and then I have about um, $1,000 worth in just the Fundrise IPO. See right here. So about 4 years ago, it asked me if I wanted to, you know, put some money into the IPO. I bought it, so because I was like, who knows what's going to happen down the line, right? And so Fundrise, it gives me the opportunity to get access to. You see how it starts out small, and this is how it starts with anything in terms of uh, like when you invest. When you invest, it starts out small. You're like, oh, this is scam. My money growing, but then when you give anything time, it grows, right? And then uh, so year to date, let's go to year to date. Year to date, I have made $40.71 in terms of dividends. And then you got the market has been down due to the debt ceiling talks and whatnot. So my appreciation is down a lot, more like depreciation because of the market. And then also I pay year to date $1.77, $1.77 in advisory fees. And then here shows you right here um, why. Just like how I love buying dividend stocks because I receive dividends. I love investing to my real estate portfolio because as you see right here, um, this is 2023 now, and so as you see going from 2020, you see how my dividends increases. And so, 17, 17, then 23, 23, $34 right here. And these just me buying into my real estate portfolios. My 280. So when I buy $50, $500, I typically put it here. I put money at the end of the year when I have extra money when I receive bonuses and whatnot. And so my money gets spread out and then they utilize the money into whatever real estate projects they need, and then I just sit back and I reap this passive income. We all always got to find ways to receive passive income, and this increases my exposure to real estate, the real estate market, the real estate sector of the United States. And boom, as you see, my last dividend I just received was in quarter 1 of this year. I received $24.85, and then in January I received $22.90. And so whenever I receive my dividends, I reinvest back in itself like I do my dividend stocks. It buys more shares, and when you buy more shares, just like partial shares, it adds up. And then also I receive money for whenever they sell a property or buy a commercial complex or a residential complex. I receive the benefits, and then also on a per day basis, I receive a little bit for the loans that they issue out. So I may receive like 10 cents or 15 cents per day. It's not a lot, but then on a whole, at the end of a whole 30-day month basis, it's something. Okay, cool. $2, $3 here, then a $22 dividend here, and then receiving money when it's fully matured in sales. I'm receiving money passively through real estate and real estate investing, and I'm really not really doing anything but invest into the program, right, of Fundrise. And so, if you could want to consider if Fundrise is a go-to or a scam, it's not. It's beneficial. I love it. I've been investing for the past 5 years, and from here I just put money into it as I go. $50 here, or at the end of the year, maybe 500 or 1,000, and I just keep it pushing. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, holla at your boy. It is me, the wingman, delivering you that delicious sauce. I'm here delivering you guys that wonderful content. Hope you guys enjoy. And just if you enjoyed this content, make sure you click on the video to the right and make sure that you look at more videos of mine because guess what? Oh, you're not getting any the great content like I'm delivering. I'm putting you guys on game how to make money in the stock market in the United States passively, through affiliate marketing, dividend stocks, dividend portfolios. Come on, holla at your boy. I'm giving you guys what you need and support your boy. All right, you guys have a great day.